Looking for the best smart plugs of 2025? Whether you need voice control, energy monitoring, or multi-device connectivity, these top picks deliver seamless automation and convenience for your smart home. The Eve Energy Smart Plug is designed for secure smart home automation, featuring Matter-over-Thread technology for fast and reliable connectivity. It works with Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings, ensuring broad compatibility. With 100% privacy protection, it operates without cloud dependency, making it ideal for users who prioritize data security. Additionally, it provides real-time energy monitoring, allowing users to track power consumption and optimize energy usage. The WiZ Smart Plug Gen 3 comes in a pack of 3, offering Wi-Fi connected wireless automation. It supports voice and app control, working seamlessly with Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. Its compact design ensures easy installation, making it perfect for users who need multiple smart plugs for different devices. The energy monitoring feature helps users track electricity usage, while the scheduling function allows automated on-off control for appliances. The Kasa Smart Plug. PowerStrip HS, 300 features, 6 individually controlled smart outlets, and 3 USB ports, allowing users to manage multiple devices simultaneously. With built-in surge protection, it safeguards electronics from power fluctuations. It works with Alexa and Google Home, ensuring voice-controlled automation without requiring a hub. The energy monitoring feature provides detailed insights into power consumption, while the smart scheduling function allows users to automate device usage efficiently. The Amazon Basics Smart Plug is a budget-friendly option designed to work exclusively with Alexa. Featuring 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, it ensures quick setup and reliable performance. With no hub required, it's ideal for users who want simple voice-controlled automation. The compact design allows easy placement, while the timer and scheduling features enable customized control over connected devices. The Philips Hue Smart Plug transforms any standard light into a smart light, allowing users to control lighting via the Hue app. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, it ensures seamless integration with smart home ecosystems. Its compact design makes it easy to install, making it perfect for users who want smart lighting without replacing bulbs. The energy-efficient operation helps users reduce electricity consumption, while the customizable scheduling feature enhances lighting automation. Whether you need Matter compatibility, multi-device control, or smart lighting automation, these smart plugs offer top-tier features for every home. Choosing the right one can enhance convenience and energy efficiency, so check the description for pricing and make sure you get the best fit for your setup.